Hello everyone, this is Jennifer. In this video, we're going to look into the common size balance sheet. So, the common size balance sheet basically shows the percentage of each item to the total in each period. But we are not going to show the variation between one year to one other year. So, for the purpose of analysis, sometimes the various items of assets and liabilities of balance sheet are shown not at their absolute figure but at their relative values. So basically in common size balance sheet we convert everything into percentages. For example, all the assets will be converted to the percentage of total assets and all the liabilities, that is the capital and liabilities, will be expressed to the total of liabilities and capital. Thus, the whole balance sheet is converted into percentage form and we call it as common size balance sheet. So, let us look into our first problem, which is following are the balance sheet of Sansar Industries Limited for the year ending 2001 and 2002. So, you have your liability side, you have your asset side. So, if you see 2001, the liability side and the asset side total is 11,74,000, and 2002 it is 14,36,000. So basically for the first year, that is 2001 and 2002, if we look into a solution part, we start with common size balance sheet, equity and liabilities. So you start with the same format how we used to do the comparative balance sheet. So it will be shareholders fund. Under that you will take all the things which are coming under the shareholders fund. So in the question we have equity share capital. So what is the amount that they have given in 2001 is 4 lakh. In 2002 the amount that they have given is 6 lakhs. How we are supposed to convert this into percentage is, in 2001 the total of the balance sheet is 11,47,000. So it will be 4 lakh divided by 11,47,000 into 100. How much percentage you get? 34.07%. And in the year 2002, the total of your balance sheet is how much? 14,36,000. Okay. So 6 lakhs divided by 14,36,000 into 100. How much percentage you get? 41.78%. So in the year 2001 our total is 11,74,000. So every item, okay, the assets and liabilities will be divided by 11,74,000. In the year 2002 it is 14,36,000. So every item of assets and liabilities will be shown as a percentage to the assets and liabilities, which is 14,36,000. If you see, you can wonder why asset side is not shown to the total of total assets, or an equity and liabilities are shown to the total of total liabilities. Since the balance sheet always balances, it is the same amount. So we divide it with the same amount. So basically 6 lakhs divided by your total of the balance sheet in the year 2002 is 14,36,000 into 100, 41.78%. So every item will be divided by 11,47,000 for the year 2001 to get the percentage. For the year 2002, every item amount will be divided by 14,36,000 to get the percentage. So reserves and surplus 3,12,000 we divided by the total, which is 11,47,000, which is 1,14,70,000. You get 26.58%. Then 3,54,000 divided by 14 lakh 36,000, you get 24.65. Sorry, that they have added a 10 extra here, which is 11 lakh 47,000 is your total. Then if you total up your shareholders fund, you get the total. So 7 lakh 12,000 again divided by the total, which is 11 lakh 47,000, you get 60.64. 9 lakh 54,000 divided by 14 lakh 36,000, you get 66.43. Non-current liabilities, under that you have long-term liabilities, under that debentures is given in the question. So you have 50,000, the total is 11 lakh 74,000. 50,000 divided by 11 lakh 74,000 into 100, you get 44.26. 1 lakh divided by 14 lakh 36,000, you get 6.96. Long-term loans on mortgages, 1 lakh 50,000 divided by 11 lakh 74,000, you get 12.78. 2 lakh 55,000 divided by 14 lakh 36,000, you get 7.76. You total up your long-term liabilities. Then you move on to your current liabilities, which is accounts payable. Under accounts payable, for the year 2001, you have 2 lakh 55,000 divided by 11 lakh 74,000. You into 100, you get 21.72%. For the year 2002, 1 lakh 17,000 divided by 14 lakh 36,000, you get 8.15. Other current liabilities, 7,000 divided by 11 lakh 74,000, you get 0.60 the percentage. 10,000 divided by 14 lakh 36,000, you get 0.70 as your percentage. So you total up your current liabilities. And there's one important thing that you need to see: your total of your liabilities should match up with your total. Okay, whatever you have done here, it should match up with your total of your balance sheet. Why? Because you're taking every item that is provided in the balance sheet. So your total liabilities will be equal to 100% always. Now moving on to our asset side, under that we have non-current asset. So we have fixed assets. Under that we have land and building, 2,70,000 is given in the question. So what is your total in the year 2001? It is 11,74,000. So divided by 11,74,000 into 100, you get 23%. And 1,70,000 divided by 14 lakh 36,000, you get 11.84. Plant and machinery, 3 lakh 10,000 divided by 11 lakh 74,000 into 100, you get 26.41. 7 lakh 86,000 divided by 14 lakh 36,000, you get 54.74. Furniture and fixtures, 9,000 divided by 11 lakh 74,000 into 100, you get 0.77. 18,000 divided by 14 lakh 36,000, you get 1.25. So everything just divided by the total, that's all. Other fixed assets, 20,000 divided by the total of 2001, which is 11,74,000, 1.70. Then 30,000 divided by 40.36%, 14 lakh 36,000, you get 2.09. Long-term loans, 46,000 divided by the total, you get the percentage to be 3.92. And 59,000 divided by the total, you get 4.10. So in the beginning itself, you all can write this is the total. So you all can write there in the beginning itself, so that every item will be divided by this, and this is the total for the year 2002. So you can write in the beginning. So every item will be divided by this amount. So cash at bank, you have 10.05% and 0.71%. Receivables, you have 17.80% and 13.23%. Inventories, 13.63 and 9.05. Prepaid expenses is 0.26 and 0.23. Other current asset is 2.47 and 2.75. You total up your current assets. Now your total asset also should be equal to your total liabilities. So your total, when you total it up, it should come to this particular amount itself. That is very, very important. And your total assets will be equal to 100%. The following are the balance sheet of X Limited and Y Limited for the year ending. They have given the liability side, they have given the asset side. What is your total for X Limited? 8,23,590. So for every item you will divide it by 8,23,590 to get the percentage equal to your assets and liabilities, because you're converting it into the percentage form. For Y Limited, every item will be divided by 6,33,000 respectively, but you will show it in a common size balance sheet, wherein you will basically subtitle it under different for categories. So let's move on to the common size balance sheet. So you start with shareholders fund, equity share capital 2,50,000. Okay, this is your X Limited. So what is your X Limited total? 8,23,000. So 2,43,000 divided by 8,23,000 into 100. How much do you get? 29.52. So you get 30.35%. So here you can write down in brackets, you can write down for your reference the total is 8,23,590, Y Limited 6,33,000. So every item will respectively be divided by the total. Preference share capital 1,20,000 divide. So in this question I will go the company by company. Okay, preference share capital 1,20,000 divided by 8,23,590, you get 14.57. Reserves and surplus 50,000 divided by 8,23,590, 6.07 is your answer. So you total up your shareholders fund. Now you move on to your non-current liabilities. Under that you have long-term liabilities. Under that loans, 3,50,000 divided by 8,23,590, you get 42.50. Then we move on to current liabilities. Under that bills payable, 25,000 divided by 8,23,590, you get 3.04. Sundry creditors 18,000 divided by 8,23,590, you get 2.19. Outstanding expenses 8,590 divided by 8,23,590, you get 1.04. Dividend declared 2,000 divided by 8,23,590, you get 0.24. Total current liability, total up, then you total up your liability side, you should get the total of 8,23,590, which is equal to 100%. That's what we have assumed. Moving on to our asset side, under that we have fixed assets, land and building 3,50,000 divided by 8,23,590, you get 42.50. Plant and machinery 2,70,000 divided by 8,23,590, you get 32.78. You total up your fixed assets, then you move on to your current assets, which is temporary investments 72,000 divided by 8,23,590, you get 8.74. Book debts 47,500 divided by 8,23,590, you get 5.77. Prepaid expenses 35,400 divided by 8,23,590, you get 4.30. Cash in bank 48,690 divided by 8,23,590, you get 5.91. So you total up your current assets. Now your total assets will be equal to this total, which is 8,23,590, which is equal to 100%. Now let us move on to the Y Limited. So like this also you can do, so that you are since your denominator is the same amount, you can do it fast and go. Okay, Y limited equity share capital is 1,70,000. So what is your denominator? It is the total of your assets and liabilities, which is 6,33,000. Okay, so 1,70,000 divided by 6,33,000 into 100, you get 26.86. Preference share capital 80,000 divided by 6,33,000 into 100, which is 12.64. Reserves and surplus 70,000 into 6,33,000, which is 11.06. Long term liabilities, under that you have loans 2,79,000 divided by 6,33,000 into 100, which is 44.08. Bills payable 14,000 divided by 6,33,000 to 100, which is 2.21. Sundry creditors 8,000 divided by 6,33,000 into 100, which is 1.26. 4,500 divided by the amount, you get 0.71. 7,500 divided by the total, just 6,33,000, you get 1.18. So in the same way itself, you divide every amount with the total. So 4,500 divided by 6,33,000, you get 6.71. Now moving on to your asset side, it is the same amount in your total. So 2,75,000 divided by total of your asset side is 6,33,000 into 100, which is 43.43%. 3 lakh divided by 6 lakhs 33,000, you get the percentage. Temporary investment 12,000 divided by the total, which is 6,33,000, you get 1.90. 25,000 divided by 6,33,000, you get 3.95. Prepaid expenses, you do not have anything, so it's an there's no amount. Cash in bank 21,000 divided by 6,33,000, you get 3.32. So your total of the asset side will be equal to 6,33,000, which is equal to 100%. Thank you.